Sure, but I'm Jeffrey. I guess I'm not the only one who has trouble telling you two apart. That's okay.
Good job.
We have new cards too.
Yeah, you're feeding yourself, aren't you? Is that good applesauce? Good job. Sit up real big and hold your head up. That's big. Gracie's feeding herself applesauce. Oh, that was stink eye. Okay, get another bite. Yeah, you could do it by yourself, huh? Almost. That was good trying. Try it again. Good job. That was big.